Hello, so this is the first video on my second channel which is specially created for the students of BSc Physics. Myself Rahul Jevani, I have completed my BSc in Physics with a silver medal and I will complete my MSc in Physics in the coming 3 or 4 months expected. And my specialization in MSc is electronics, not because I like electronics but because it is the only branch available in my city and that's it. So first of all, I want to share few things, just few basic things. I have created a Telegram group for the students of BSc Physics. So you can join the group by clicking on the link in the description, or you can search the username rglectures_BSc Physics. So in this group, students can assist each other by solving each other's doubt, by providing or sharing the study material which they have, or they can assist each other in many ways. So you can join the Telegram group. Secondly, I will upload 2 videos twice a week on Tuesday and Friday at 5 p.m. This is the standard which I have set now. I can increase the frequency if I get a response. Okay, definitely I commit these 2 days for now, but I will increase the frequency slowly. So these are the 2 main things. Third thing is students answer books and references, what to follow. So I have already created a video regarding all the books which you will require in the 3 years of BSc, and those books, if you want to purchase, they cost 5500. If you want to crack JAM, if you want to proceed your career in physics, or you want to give JAM, go for hard copies. Means purchase the paper, means purchase the physical book, not hard copy. Go purchase the physical book. There is a thing called as hard copy or paperback in books. So purchase the physical book. If you want to proceed in crack JAM, or you want to proceed in physics, if you are doing BSc for any other reason, you can go for PDFs. PDFs are free. They are available on the internet, but not every book is available. 70% of the books are available on the internet. You will not find a website where you can find all those books. No, that is not there for BSc Physics students, and that is not legal also. Otherwise, I would have provided you with the all content. You just can open the university syllabus, whatever university you are in from. You will find a section of syllabus, and below every unit, suppose this is unit 1, this is the syllabus of unit 1, there would be a section called as references. Now there they will mention 3 to 4 names. Search for those names on Google. If you not find one, go for second. If you not find second, go for third. You will definitely find at least 2 of the 4. So take 3 or 4 days and create your own library of PDFs. Okay, because it would not be good if you keep searching on the books for the complete year. Create your library, upload it on Google Drive. That would be helpful for you. Okay, and most preferably go for a tablet or a PC. Otherwise, you will get pain in the headache for the 3 years. So that was all about books and references. If you want a career in physics, you can purchase books for BSc. Otherwise, you can go for references. How to study? Now, class 12th is completely different from graduation, because in graduation the only person who can help you in cracking the exam is you yourself. Okay, is you yourself. Because in class 12th it is a possibility, for example, I teach class 12 physics, so it is a possibility, yes, I know the complete syllabus of 11th and 12th and single-handedly I can teach. I assume that. Okay, but in BSc it is not possible that a single teacher will teach you all the subjects, because there are so many branches. There is a classical mechanics, there is a Newtonian mechanics, there is electrodynamics, quantum mechanics, statistical thermodynamics, probability, molecular physics, spectroscopy. There are so many branches, so one person cannot teach that. Okay, so you yourself have to study. So self-study is the key if you want to complete 3 years of BSc in physics. I repeat, BSc Physics is not easy. BSc Physics is hard. 90% of the students always get a KT in either one of the 6 SEMs. Okay, this is the percentage I have observed in all the colleges. So don't go for a KT. KT is tough. You have to study those syllabus again in which you failed. So don't go for a KT. Start studying from day number 1. Okay, you will find YouTube videos for most of the topics, but those videos will just be the translation of what you find in the books. So I cannot say that that is helpful. Ultimately, you have to by heart, or in Hindi I can say ratta hi marna padega in most of the topics. But if you self-study, if you start studying from day one, if you have time, then you will definitely learn those things. Okay, if you start in the last month, then nobody can literally save you. You can see these hairs. I have lost these hairs in the graduation. I used to have hair still here. Okay, but in graduation, because of stress, I lost 15 kgs of weight from second year to third year of BSc, and I lost these two hairs here. So stress will be there. Be prepared for it, but start studying from day one. If you find any coaching in your city, join it. Okay, definitely join it, because teachers are needed for BSc Physics. Okay, there is a big need of teachers in India. So if you find any coaching, join it, because self-study would be tough, but that is only option we have currently. Okay, so that's it. That was enough for introduction. So see you in the next video. I will start with this content of AC circuits. Then I will proceed with quantum mechanics. So this will take a large amount of time. So let's see what happens, and if you give us good response, then I will increase my frequency to 3 videos per week also. Okay, see you in the next video. Take care. If you have any question, leave in the comment, or better leave in the Telegram group. See you.